Good morning, kids. How are you? I hope you all are fine and taking good care of yourself. Kids, you have seen many things around you. Some things are natural and some are man-made. But do you know what is man-made and what is natural? Natural things means those things which God has created, like trees, flowers and fruits. Man-made things means those things which are created by man or human being, like cycle, motorcycle, washing machine, computer and many more. So, a machine is a man-made thing or the natural thing? Guess? Right. A machine is a man-made thing. Okay, tell me now, why do we use machines? We use machines to save our time and make our work easy. So, what is a computer? A computer is a smart and useful machine that makes our work easy. You know, a computer can do the work so much faster than us. A computer can store and remember lots of information. And moreover, it does not get tired like us. And it never gets bored also. Now, look at this. These are the parts of a computer. All the parts of a computer are very important. They have different uses. Let's discuss them one by one. Monitor. A monitor looks like a TV screen. You can watch movies on it. You can play games. And you can see the work whatever you are doing. Keyboard. A keyboard has many small buttons. These buttons are called keys. You can type on the computer with the help of these keys. A keyboard has different keys. Number keys, alphabet keys, and special keys. If we want to type our mother's mobile number on the computer, then which keys will help us to do so? Yes, number keys. If we want to type the numbers from 0 to 9, the number keys will help us to do the same. Similarly, if we want to type letters and words, then which keys will help us to do so? Alphabet keys. Special keys are used to do some special functions. Mouse. A mouse has two buttons. It has a scroll wheel in the middle of two buttons. With the help of mouse, we can select and open the files on a monitor. CPU. CPU is the brain of the computer. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. Speakers. Speakers are used to listen to music. Printer. A printer is used to take a printout from a computer. It helps to make copies of whatever you see on the monitor. These days, computers are used everywhere. It helps us to do many things. Like, we can play games on a computer. We can watch movies and cartoons. We can solve sums also. In schools also. You must have seen that your teachers are using computers for teaching, for preparing test papers and report cards also. In shopping malls also, you must have noticed that whenever you go to billing counter after shopping, they also use the computers for giving you the bills. Computers help us to do office work also. And there are many more. Now we have basically 4 devices of computer. These are input devices, output devices, processing device, storage devices. Let's discuss all these one by one. Do you know what are input devices? Devices that send information of the work to be done to the computer are called input devices. Examples of input devices are keyboard and mouse. How is keyboard an input device? By pressing the keys of the keyboard, we tell the computer what to do. By this way, we are giving input into the computer. Similarly, the mouse is also an input device, as by pressing the buttons of the mouse or by moving it, we command the cursor on the screen to move where we want to move. What are output devices? Devices that show information from the computer of the work done are called output devices. Examples of output devices are monitor, printer, and speakers. A monitor is an output device. It displays the information of the work done. Printer is also a type of output device, as it prints the information on a sheet of paper. Speaker is also an output device, as it generates the sound by the computer. Now, can anybody tell me which type of device is CPU? CPU is a processing device. Processing is the main step that a computer follows. All processing takes place inside the CPU only. What are storage devices? Devices that are used to store the data or work done on a computer are called storage devices. The data stored on them can be used whenever needed. Examples of storage devices are hard disk, CD, DVD, and pen drive. A hard disk is placed inside the CPU box. It can store a large amount of data. All the work done on a computer can be stored on the hard disk. CDs, DVDs, and pen drives are small in size. They are used to store and carry data from one place to another. So, kids, I hope you will revise this.